In this video, we'd like to show you how easy it is to set up your Eve Thermo smart radiator valve. Eve Thermo includes a quick start guide, 2 AA batteries, and several Danfoss adapters. To insert the batteries, carefully pull off the front cover. Eve Thermo turns on as soon as the batteries are inserted correctly. Put the cap back on and you're ready to go. Please use the Eve app to set up Eve Thermo. Download it for free from the Apple App Store. Tap Add Accessory, select the Eve Thermo you wish to set up, and scan the code. You'll find the code right on the device or on the back of the Quick Start Guide. If you are setting up several Eve Thermo valves, you can identify them by tapping ID. Now select the room, and if you'd like, give Eve Thermo a new name. Unscrew your old radiator valve, if necessary, using a screwdriver or pipe wrench. Don't worry, no water will escape while swapping thermostats. Before screwing on Eve Thermo, take a moment to clean the valve with the cloth, and by pushing the valve pin in about 10 times with the pipe wrench or other solid object. Now you can screw on Eve Thermo. Please do this by hand. Do not use a tool. If Eve Thermo doesn't fit directly on your valve, use one of the 3 included adapters. These adapters are only for use on the Danfoss valves. Find information about other adapters at evehome.com/adapter. Once you have screwed on Eve Thermo, it is automatically calibrated and ready to go. The Eve app makes it easy to set up heating schedules for each radiator or room. Simply turn on schedules and tap the schedule settings next to the schedule bar. Next, set your comfort and economy temperatures. Then set the times during which your radiator should heat the room at the comfort temperature. If you'd like to separate schedules for work days and days off, simply tap the plus icon. To take into account vacation period or holidays, you can allow Eve to access a calendar. When an all-day event is added to the calendar, Eve Thermo will treat those days like your days off. To finish setup, give your schedule a name. You can use this schedule for multiple rooms, or you can create more schedules, for example, for your bathroom. Eve Thermo connects right to the radiator, which is often located under a windowsill. Therefore, it may measure a temperature that deviates from the actual room temperature. You can account for this difference in the settings. If the actual room temperature is lower than the desired temperature, adjust the offset to a negative value. For example, if you set the thermostat to 26.5 degrees, but the actual room temperature is 25 degrees, set the offset to -1.5. Valve protection. Eve Thermo completely opens the valve on your radiator automatically every 3 weeks in order to prevent scale buildup. In the Eve Thermo settings, you can manually trigger the valve protection and save the current time for this process to repeat. For example, to prevent the valve from opening at night. You can control Eve Thermo via the app, Siri voice commands, or the integrated touch controls. Enjoy the comfort and convenience of the Eve Thermo smart radiator valve.